Not many left to load. Wild Glitz moving up to gate 7. Next will be Prince of Peace, then Prime Minister. And those will be the final two. Prince of Peace and the Prime Minister will be the last to load. Track not yet clear for racing. Field in line. Track clear for racing. All set to go for the third. 1820 meters. They're off. Fair start. Eloping Emma points early. Also Mark moving up wide in the blue. Shiva's Boy racing down against the fence, cuts the corner into that clubhouse turn, and it's Shiva's Boy who picks up the advantage and slips away by almost 3 lengths over Eloping Emma. Mojito Jam racing right there on the rail. Also Mark cruising along in 4th spot as they begin to bunch in behind the leader, Shiva's Boy. Prime Minister moving down on the outside and now moving quickly into 2nd spot as Shiva's Boy leaves the 7. A length and a tail in front of Prime Minister. Also Mark on the outside, Eloping Emma and Mojito Jam just ahead of also Mark. Prince of Arabia settled down in behind them. The valedictorian cruising against the rail and looking full of run as they go past the 6. Wild Glitz follows these, and last it's Prince of Peace. Down the back stretch they head toward the 5. Shiva's Boy continues to dictate terms but narrowly. Prime Minister pressing all the while 3 parts of a length down in 2nd. Mojito Jam 3 lengths back and being driven along. Also Mark in between horses, now let loose by Cardenas as they're about to arrive at the half mile. Prince of Arabia shadows these, and the first 4 now bunch up. Mojito Jam left back in 5th, just in behind Mojito Jam as they leave the 7:16. That's Eloping Emma being pushed along toward the outside. Prince of Peace asked to make steady ground by the rider, the valedictorian in behind them, and last of all it's a Wild Glitz. 5/16 remaining. They're about to come into the lane, and it's Dick Cardenas, the champion jockey, and also Mark at the head of the stretch, and they hold on to that lead running toward the final 3/16. Prime Minister now let down for a challenge. Mojito Jam drifting out to the extreme outside, further back to Prince of Arabia near the rail. The valedictorian has made some progress, then Eloping Emma, but up front also Mark is under a strong drive. Prime Minister trying to get to him. Also Mark flat to the boards by Dick Cardenas. Prime Minister continues to nibble at the lead. Also Mark and Prime Minister battling. It's going to be a head bob. Prime Minister looks to have done it over also Mark, the valedictorian, possibly over Eloping Emma. In the winner's enclosure, the unofficial winner of the third 9 Prime Minister. An 8-year-old dark bay gelding by Royal Minister, Prime Plus by UOK, bred Israel Williams. Owned and trained Patrick Lynch, the rider Javon Irwin. Second 6, also Mark. Third 4, the valedictorian. 4-3, Eloping Emma. We have a claim in today's third for the valedictorian. 4 claims submitted, 3 void. Stephen Todd claims the valedictorian for himself. The valedictorian claim by Stephen Todd for himself.